Hello everybody, my name is MSC Patran. I'm from Cetis University, and now for this time, in this workshop number 10, we're going to make a Tetmeshing ancient geometry and verify the mesh quality. This workshop is based on MCC software workshop, and the objective of this workshop are these 3 points. We will create a Tetmeshing using the auto Tetmesh. We will see the effect of the 2 Tetmesh polymers. First, one mesh, and then we will remeshing with another polymer. Then, for the both meshes, we will determine the quality of the Tetmesh elements. So, let's start. First, we need to go to File and open our document, our work. We go to our folder and click answer.db and OK. We got this solid, and now we will do the mesh. So we go to meshing, we click create from action, mesh from object, and solid from type, because it's a solid now. And we click 10 for element shape, Tetmesh from measure, Tet10 for topology. And then we go to Tetmesh polymers. We got this. From this mesh, we will click on defaults and we click OK. Then we put input list, and our solid is called solid 1, so we click solid 1 and we get this. We put a value of 20, go down, and solid 120 also came. We click apply. So then we got this. If we go here, click smooth shade, we got this, the solid mesh. So now we will verify our boundaries of the meshing. To check our boundaries, we had to go in action and go to verify. We have object element, text, boundaries. It's alright. Here in display type, we put 3 faces and click apply, and we got this. So now we will verify our Tet aspect. We will see the range of colors depending on the element size. So we go to verify, go to Tet, we will first test our elements. Click OK, apply, OK. Right here we are testing our elements, and we got a text verification summary where we will got these 4 columns. In these 4 columns told us on the first column the test performance, aspect, edge, angle, and all these ones. And the second column, we got this number of elements that failed the test. The element here, the element 17 have failed the test of aspect. And in the third column, we got the poorest quality check result. And in the last column, we got the element that had the poorest quality check result. And here is. So right now, we are going to go to verify to Tet, but in here in test we go to check the aspect. We will see a range of colors between the sizes of the element. Here we put aspect ratio near to 5. Here's really near to 5, and we click apply. Here you can move, and we put near to 5. Okay, and click apply. So we got this colors, beautiful. Okay, now we are going to remesh our solid. So we had to go to create again, mesh, solid, also the same, Tetmesh, this is the same, but here in Tetmeshing partners we will change it. We will put 0.05 and here we put 0.1. So we put okay. We had solid 1, it's okay. We had 20, okay. We click apply. Do you want to delete the existing mesh of solid 1? We click yes, because we are remeshing. And we got a remesh again. So now we can verify again all tests. Element, no, 10, it's okay. And test all. We click apply. Okay, and we had that test verification summary, and we got difference. Also improvement of the difference between this meshing and the first meshing. Let's wait a little bit more. So here we go. We got the first column, second, third, and fourth. We got difference between the first column and the last column of the number of the element fail and the worst case. So we can improve our meshing, but by looking on the verification summary. So this is all. Thank you for seeing our video. Please give us a like and subscribe. If you want to exit of this world, we can save it right here, or go by file and save. And to exit, we click here in quit. Thank you very much. Goodbye.